Hello everyone, for today's video, we will show you how to assemble a system unit. But before we start, we have to discharge ourselves. In the absence of an anti-static wrist strap, you have to quickly rub a screwdriver or a similar tool on your palm can help discharge static electricity before handling sensitive electronic components. Now, let's start. Step 1. Preparing the system unit. This is the system unit. What is a system unit? A system unit is the main enclosure of a computer that houses the essential components such as the motherboard, CPU, memory, storage devices, and power supply. Step 2. Preparing the tools needed. Here are the tools that we will need to assemble a system unit. We have here the flashlight, the gloves, the part organizer, the cable ties, the two types of screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead, combination pliers, wire cutter, and a brush. Once you're done with step 1 and step 2, we can move on to step 3, putting the motherboard. This is the motherboard, the central circuit board that connects all computer components. First, you have to align the motherboard with the stand-ups in the system unit, like what we are doing here in the video. The second step is to secure the motherboard to the system unit using the screws. Once you fully secure the motherboard to the system unit, we can move on to the next step. Step 4. Putting the hard disk drive. This is a hard disk drive. It is a non-volatile data storage device that stores and retrieves digital data using magnetic storage. First, you have to slide in the hard disk drive. Then, align the holes of the hard disk drive with the mounting holes in the bay, and use screws to secure the hard disk drive in place. This is what the hard drive disk looks like when it's in place. Step 5. Putting on the power supply unit. A power supply unit converts alternating current from a wall outlet into a direct current to power the computer's internal components. First is to position the power supply unit. After positioning, you can secure it with the screws of the power supply unit. This is what the power supply unit looks like when it's placed in. Step 6. Inserting the random access memory. The random access memory or RAM stores data and machine code currently being used by the CPU, providing quick access to information. First off is you have to locate the RAM slots. Next, install the RAM modules and verify installation. This is what it looks like when it's secured in. Step 7. Putting the wires. In putting the wires, always check your motherboard manual for specific locations. Connect the power, reset, LEDs, USB, and audio cables from the case to the motherboard. Lastly, tidy up the motherboard connections with cable ties to ensure organized and easy maintenance. This is what a assembled system unit looks like. Hello everyone, for today's video, we will show you how to disassemble a system unit. But before we start, we have to discharge ourselves. In the absence of an anti-static wrist strap, you have to quickly rub a screwdriver or a similar tool on your palm can help discharge static electricity before handling sensitive electronic components. Let's start. Step 1. Unplugging the wires. In disassembling a system unit, first you have to disconnect power, reset, LEDs, USB, and audio cables from the motherboard. Then using a wire cutter, you can cut the remaining cables from the power supply unit and from the other wires. Step 2. Unclipping the RAM. To unclip the RAM, you need to gently push the clips on both ends of the RAM slots outwards. Step 3. Unscrewing the power supply unit. To remove a power supply unit, you have to locate and remove the screws that are securing the power supply unit to the case. Step 4. Sliding off the hard disk drive. For you to slide off the hard disk drive, you have to unscrew the screw that is placed in it. Then after unscrewing, you can slide it off. Step 5. Taking out the motherboard. For you to take out the motherboard, you have to remove all the screws holding the motherboard in place. Then lift the motherboard out by pulling it up and away from the back of the case. And lastly is to take off the stand-offs of the motherboard. This is what the system unit looks like when it's disassembled. That's all. Thank you for watching.